Hello everyone, welcome to Lab 7, and in this video I'm going to give a brief overview of the assignment, which once again will involve you creating a video. This time around, the focus for the content of this video is going to be on presenting your memory experiment. Very similar to how you did the last video submission assignment, in which you had to present some information about a topic related to research methods. The important part here is trying to figure out how you're going to incorporate information as it pertains to your study in a condensed and concise format such that you have a 1.5 to 3 minute video that is explaining your experiment and results and using visual and auditory content effectively to convey that information. One of the things I would keep in mind while you're thinking about what you want to include in your video is to sort of look at the paper that you've written or the report that you turned in and sort of base the structure of that such that you're providing background information as well as methods, results, a little bit of a discussion, so on and so forth, as a way to guide you through the structure of your video. In terms of what you may want to use for the visual content, I'm going to highly recommend that you make sure you are using any graphs you included in your last submission, as well as, say, tables or any sort of figures that will be helpful in explaining your study. In terms of other visual elements, one of the things that we recommend you do is make sure you're looking for CC licensed materials. And again, we point you to some resources here, such as Wikimedia Commons or Pexels one more time to check out, if you're so inclined to grab some of those stock video and stock images to use in your video. For the video itself, again, we're going to recommend that when you are presenting your results, you're including that graph that you had to explain your data, which you uploaded in your previous assignment, hopefully. As well as you are sort of showcasing things, you'll want to make sure you're using simple animations that are just sort of drawing the viewer's attention into whether it's different parts of a graph or a figure or something that you're discussing while you're narrating over the visuals for your video. While you're doing this, again, I want to highlight that we ask you to use text very sparingly. And if you can convey something in a picture, we'd prefer you to do it in that mode, as opposed to having a bunch of text on the screen for people to read. So yeah, again, just as you did before, you are welcome to use software that is sort of formatted for creating videos, whether that be Movely or Adobe Express, so on and so forth. And just want to make sure that when you are uploading that video, you upload it to Canvas either via a YouTube link or a link to Google Drive. And then just make sure that the permissions are set such that if you're uploading it on YouTube, it is publicly viewable, or if you're uploading it to Google Drive, make sure the permissions are set such that anyone with the link will be able to access and watch your video. That's all I have for you today in this video. So as always, if you have any questions about this assignment, feel free to shoot me an email or ask in lab. And so yeah, good luck and have fun.